Hello, everybody. Welcome to the webinar, the Small Business Guide to Cloud Apps. We've still got a few people joining, so we're just going to wait a minute or two longer just for everybody to get settled in, and then we'll begin. All right, we're going to give it just one more minute, and then we'll get started. Thank you so much for your patience. Just a minute longer. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and get going. The webinar today is the Small Business Guide to Cloud Apps, the top 10 web-based applications for small business. Just so you're aware, I won't be taking any questions during the actual webinar, just so I can make sure that we stay on topic and within the time constraints so everyone can get back to their day as soon as possible. But there is a place where you can chat in your questions, and I certainly encourage you to do that. And if I have time at the end of the presentation, I will get those addressed. If not, I will make sure that we get in touch individually afterwards to address your question. Also, we will be sending out a recording of the webinar. It's typically the most frequently asked question that we get. So there we go, and just answering that for you right away. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get started. The Small Business Guide to Cloud Apps, the top 10 web-based applications for small business. First off, what is cloud computing? It's really a major technology shift that's changing the way technology is sold, bought, and delivered. In this webinar, we're focusing on one specific type of cloud computing, software as a service, SaaS. Most people refer to software as a service offerings as apps. The growth of cloud computing is truly outstanding, but definitely not surprising just because of all of its benefits. According to Gartner's 2011 predictions, the SaaS market will hit $14 billion in 2013. And it's definitely well on its way there with $11.5 billion in 2011. It's really no surprise because of all the benefits. It frees users from being tied to desktop computers or even a specific geographic location, making it extremely easy to access your information and work from virtually anywhere. According to a 2010 Brookings Institution study, federal agencies that migrated to the cloud saw between 26 and 50% cost savings, which is huge. The benefits businesses are seeing from switching to the cloud is astounding, and really the reason why it's growing so rapidly. Here are the top 6 benefits of cloud computing to help you decide, if migrating to the cloud is a smart decision for your business. First, cost savings. With pay-as-you-go service plans that really do work for you, there's just a ton of options to explore to make sure that, you're choosing the most cost-effective option for your business. Scalability, really the cloud enables organizations to scale up or down the level of needed service so that people can optimize their needed capacity. It's no longer just a technology that large enterprises get to utilize. It really is scalable and, actually affordable for small and medium-sized businesses to use as well. Accessibility of services, often from any networked machine, meaning you're able to access your information from virtually anywhere, which really does open up a ton of opportunities, especially if you have a traveling sales team, if you have people who telecommute, or were interested in exploring telecommuting options for your company. Collaboration capabilities with access to shared applications and records.